Is this the best budget espresso setup? Come, let's check our Impero Semi-Automatic Coffee Machine from beans to coffee.
The most budget-friendly option that gives serious competition to even the high-end machines out there. First off, let's talk about size. It's super compact and comes with a built-in steam wand, ideal for heating or reheating your milk. You also get a removable water tank which makes refilling super convenient. Plus, it comes with a pressurized basket, a tamper and other must-have accessories to get you started. Now, what really sets the Impero apart? You can adjust the temperature and grind size to suit your taste. Let's put it to the test. Adding the coffee grounds, giving it a little tamp, the pressure is building, and just look at that crema. And the steam wand, frothing like a dream. So if you're looking to level up your coffee game without breaking the bank, the Impero might just be your new best friend.
तो अगर आप भी एक एस्प्रेसो सेटअप बनाने का सोच रहे हो, then try this buddy right here.